Assalamu alaikum dear ones. This is your instructor Miss Komal here, and today we are going to read a very interesting poem by Amy Lowell, and the title of the poem is actually The Poem. So what is this poem about, and who was the poet whose poem we are going to read today? So Amy Lowell was an American poet of great accomplishment. Her work is full of imagery. This poem highlights the importance of wisdom. The poetess talks about the abundance that is hidden in each and everything of nature. This abundance can only be maintained if we follow the laws of nature. The poetess says if we plant a simple looking twig at the right place where there is enough sunlight and water it regularly, this twig will grow into a tall bush from whose boughs will hang beautiful flowers in branches. Its leaves will sparkle in the bright sunlight. From its roots will emerge freshness, and abundant grass will grow beneath it. As you can read the first stanza, first two stanzas, you will come to know about the idea that I have discussed with you. And in the last stanza, the poetess Amy Lowell conveys and puts a controversial and the opposite idea. And what does she say? She says, but if you take the same twig and throw it in a closet, mean in a cabinet or in a area like a cupboard or storage with other metal tools, it will wither and become a dried piece of wood that you would like throw into a bin. The twig is compared to life actually in the poem. It will bear flowers if we plant it in the soil of goodness and water it regularly with our hard work and perseverance. And if we throw ourselves into the closet of evil deeds, we will wither up and be discarded as the useless twig. So, the main idea and the main theme of the poem is just if we cultivate something, it will grow, and if we neglect it, it will die. So, let's read the poem. And before reading the poem, we will come to know about the words that have been given in the box and their meanings. So the word closet mean a large cabinet or area like a cupboard for storage, and hither and thither mean here and there. The word shrivel mean shrink and wither, and the word thrust mean push, drive, force. So let's start reading. It is only a little twig with a green bud at the end. But if you plant it and water it and set it where the sun will be above it, it will grow into a tall bush with many flowers. So this is the thing that I have told you earlier, that Amy Lowell conveys us the idea that if we cultivate something, it will grow. If we cultivate something at right place, where the sun is right above it, it will grow into a tall bush. And leaves which they thrust hither and thither sparkling, and it will grow sparkling leaves. From its roots will come freshness, and beneath it the grass blades will bend and recover themselves and clash one upon another in the blowing wind. So these are the first three stanzas, and the idea of cultivating, the idea of taking care, the idea of you know growing is being conveyed in these first three stanzas. But in the last two stanzas, what we have, let's read. But if you take my twig and throw it into a closet with mouse traps and blunted tools, it will shrivel and waste, and someday, when you open the door, you will think it an old twisted nail and sweep it into the dustbin with other rubbish. So you can see the opposite idea, the idea of neglecting, the idea of not taking care, the idea of wasting. So, how the poetess Amy Lowell conveys a message of giving importance to life through this poem, that our life is also like a little twig, and if we take care of it, it will grow, it will beautify us, and if we neglect it, it will die and it will be wasted. So this was your poem, students. I hope that all of you have understood the idea that the poetess have that the poetess has conveyed to us. So see you in other class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.